Magandang umaga po sa kanilang lahat. As what I said earlier, it's a blessing to be here today and to celebrate Mass with you. Nung November 1, feast na All Saints Day. Nagmisa po ako sa sementeryo. But I believe that saints are powerful. Sabi ko sa kanila, naniniwala ba kayo that araw na ito, isa sa most powerful day in the year? Because it's not only the saints that we know whom we are celebrating. Baka yung inyong mga kamag-anak ay naging santo at santa na rin and they have an access to God the Father. So that's what they profess. They said they believe. Naniniwala raw po sila. Literally, lahat ng ipinray over po sa sementeryo through the intercessions of all the saints, gumaling. Wala pong tao daw na hindi gumaling. Yung isa pong kadarating ko lang na ipinray over ko, she was autistic for 12 years. Autistic child. Cannot talk. Since she was for 12 years. Pagkatapos may pray over, umattend ng Mass, lumabas po yung batang autistic at ang sabi sa magulang ay ito, napakarami ng motorsiklo dito. Kamuntik nang himatayin ng magulang kung paano ito nakapagsalita. God, up to this day, heals His people. Ganyan din po ang mangyayari sa araw na to. Through the intercession of Saint Martin. Because he has this great love for the sick. You know, mga kapatid, I've been trying to examine how and why people are getting healed and why others can't and don't get healed. Kasi we should have all access to God. But in this world, there are so many distractions. Mainit, masikip, mabaho, maingay. Those are the external factors. But there are some internal factors. It is so hard for us to focus. It is napakahirap nating pumasok sa presensya ng Diyos. We easily get distracted. Napakadali nating ma-disturb. And this one thing I've noticed. Lalo-lalo na sa ating mga Pilipino, tayo po yung mga usisero at usisera. And also one thing I noticed is we lost our sense of piety. Parang hindi na tayo marunong magdasal. Kaya minsan, yung mga nagpapapray sa akin na masasakit ang tuhod, ang sinasabi ko po lagi sa kanila, lumuhod kayo. Bakit hindi po ako makaluhod? Matagal na, lumuhod ka ngayon. The moment they knelt down, bingo, nagaling. Nagkukulang po tayo sa tinatawag na pagsamba sa Diyos. At ito ay makikita mo sa ating mga bata. Kasi I just arrived all the way from Jakarta. Ang mga bata po doon, pag sinabi mong tahimik, tigil, magdasal, nakapikit, from 1 year old to 6, 7 years old, na dito sa Pilipinas ay imposible po makita. Ang mga bata dito, ikot ng ikot. Para mga kitikiti. And it is so hard for them to mapaupo doon pagka may pray over. Talagang you can see and feel that they can pray. Ibig sabihin yan, kasi po may kasabihan values are caught, not taught. Ibig sabihin yan, tayo mga matatanda, we lack of good example on how to really pray. Why? Nadali nga po tayong ma-distract Ang nagdi-distract po sa atin, unang-una, ay ang demonyo. Why? Because the devil knows that if we enter into this relationship with God, we will be powerful. Because there's nothing impossible with God. If you encounter the Lord, there's no way you will not change. So the devil wants to distract you. Kaya tayong pagkaramihan dito pa, pagka nagmimisa, inaantok. Ang mga lalaki naman, pag humili na, lumalabas, naninigarilyo. Hindi lang yan. Tayo'y laging nagmamadali. Kapapasok pa lang ng simbahan, gusto na agad lumabas. Mabuti na lang may healing mass. Pagka healing mass, lahat gusto nasa unahan. Pagka healing mass, lahat gusto maaga. But my dear sisters and brothers, every Eucharistic celebration is a healing celebration. If you encounter the Lord, it is healing in itself. His presence heals. Tama siya, His presence heals. But we are the one who deprive ourselves in having this access. This is already a privilege. Binigay na po sa atin ng Diyos lahat. Kasi mga kapatid, it is so powerful. The devil knows. Alam po yan ng demonyo na kapag ka po ang isang tao ay nakaranas o nakaramdam ng presensya ng Diyos, yan ay magbabago. And there is nothing impossible with God. Gagaling kayo, mapapalapit kayo sa Diyos, and you will start serving the Lord. Amen? At kapag ka po kayo nag-serve kay Lord, that is it. That is the best thing that you can do in your life. Marami po ngayon, they are not happy in their life. Maraming takot, maraming agam-agam, maraming galit, maraming hinanakit, maraming unforgiveness. Na most of the time, yun ang nagpapahirap ng ating buhay. And sometimes, marami din naman taong gustong magbago. Kagabi may nakaano ako. This is so interesting. Isang prominent na tao, nakita ako kagabi. Ang sabi niya sa akin Father, bless me. So I bless him. Hindi ko alam siya pala umiiwas sa akin. Ay wala siyang maupuan. Hanap ng upuan. At sabi ko, halika dito. May upuan